Hi
Okay,
everyone, I'm Jaden,
I'm Daniel.
and today we're going to be going over the backend setup for Lola's 2.0. Okay, so the first thing you guys have to do is you have to create a virtual environment. So you run this through Python 3 -m venv dash dash copies and then venv. This creates a virtual environment called venv, and it will show all the details about that will show up, as you can see, right under tests on the sidebar here and right above get ignore. The next thing is if you want to get out of this virtual environment to say create a new one or just get back to the environment you have, your default environment on your local machine, just hit deactivate or just type out deactivate, sorry, in the terminal, and this will get you out of the virtual environment. Next, you need to make sure that you have all of the requirements necessary to run Lola's 2.0. So I would recommend running pip install -r requirements.txt. This will get you all of the requirements in our .txt file, but in case you want to add custom requirements, or you say you added other files that require new requirements, just run pip freeze requirements.txt, and this will get all your additional requirements and add them to our requirements.txt. And then you just repeat the install process if you want to say create a new virtual environment. Here are a couple libraries that you might need. These are from the previous iteration of Lola's, and this allows you to conveniently run the scraping to get additional items into your quadrant database on the back end. And yeah, here's some more details on Bedrock API if you need to look at those. They're all on the AWS documentation on Amazon.com. Now, Daniel's going to run through how to set up the database locally and also how to run any APIs.
To initialize a quadrant database in a Docker container, you run these two commands in your terminal, and this text art indicates has been set up successfully. If you navigate to this link in the README, you should see a dashboard that shows you all of your collections. However, we don't have any yet. So to fix that, you want to go to dbingest.py and under backend and run our ingest script. As you can see, it's been ran successfully. That means we should now have a collection, oh, the collections. To set up our API, you're going to want to open up a new terminal and run this command. As you can see, it's been ran successfully. If you navigate to the documentation link in your terminal, you should see Swagger UI with the quadrant endpoint and a Postgres endpoint.